Ladies and gentlemen, we just got the EMD E5A Silver Streak Zephyr 6-unit set by Kato. We're going to unbox this right here on Model Trains. Let's get to it. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Oh, if you guys haven't seen, new end scale. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. So this is the Silver Streak Zephyr by Kato. Comes with the E5A, 2 baggage cars, 2 coach cars, and an observation car. Lovely artwork on the outside and on the front too, front and back. Made by Kato, which I mentioned already quite a couple times. Just adjust this a little bit. All right, so it comes with this kind of like book cover ideal. So I mean, like, if you wanted to pack it away, it looks like you can just kind of fit it into a bookshelf or in a drawer, nice and neat. Nice little metal button. Ooh, nice. Very nice. So it opens up literally just like a book. You have your instructions, some bubble wrap here. Instructions, maintenance, and the Burlington Zephyr. Alright, let's switch the camera around and show you guys. Okay, so here we go. We have the observation car named the Silver Spirit, 2 coach cars, the Silver Glow, the Silver Gleam, and 2 baggage cars, Silver Sheen, Silver Light, and then the E5, what is it? Yeah, E5A Silver Bullet. Alright. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful detail. See that separately applied like a block for the door. Okay, a little after editing notice. This is a U.S. Mail Postal Service car, which is really awesome. And look at the detailing. The detailing is absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful and amazing. Nice detail on the engine. You can see the rivets. You can see the mesh screen for air cooling. Keeping the engine nice and cool. All right, let's get this out of the foam here. Okay. Let's start off with the the observation car. Nice. Nice, has a little light on the back, so I'm not sure if that's light. That light turns on, but if it does, that's awesome. Interesting couplers. I've never seen these kind of coupler before. I don't even know if I can show you guys. It's kind of hard to see. But, all right. Throw this baby on the track. Ooh, really smooth. Here, quick little demonstration. I mean, this rolls. Really smooth rolling. All right, let's continue unboxing. Already getting distracted. Silver Glow passenger car, coach car. Interesting, the Kato end scale couplers are a lot different than the Bachmann ones, which, not surprisingly so, but it's nice, which means that, oh no. Oh yeah. Other coach car. Silver Gleam. Sorry. Trying to get There we go. Trying to get them onto the track as I take them out of the box. Boom, silver light baggage car. Silver sheen baggage car. Nice detailing and lettering on there. Like that black lettering of the Burlington. There we go. And last but not least, silver bullet. This beautiful looking end scale made in Japan. It's got some hefty weight to it. Burlington Zephyr definitely has way more weight to it than the Broadway Limited DCC and Sound engine. I mean, significantly heavier. Whew, yeah. Now, I'm pretty sure this is only DC, but I could be wrong. Let's get her on the track. Okay, she's on the track and she's looking absolutely beautiful with all the cars behind her. All right, let's turn on the engine. Oh, nice. So it looks like both headlights turn on in the front. Now let's see if that light turns on in the back. And it does. Look at that. So the passenger cars aren't lighted. However, I know they do sell lighting kits for the passenger cars. So, oh, hold on. Looks like I have a derailment. All right, I think that's okay. Let's try this again. Okay, but we are back. Now, you can really see the rivet details, the Burlington route plaque in the front, the striping. Whoa. The lettering on there. It even says the Silver Streak Zephyr on the side, the silver bullet. I mean, it's absolutely superb. Let's get her running, see how she does. Now, both lights turn on the front, which you guys saw in the previous clip. Okay, so I wanted to take a second to show you guys here. As you can see, I have the train going from a straight into the re-railer. Does not like that very much. The front trucks tend to derail quite often. So I actually swapped the way the engine runs around my track, and now it goes into the curve and then from the curve into the straight. And it doesn't seem to be derailing on the re-railer once it goes from the re-railer into that straight piece. So yeah, other than that, it runs fine. I couldn't speak English. All right, we'll have to figure out how to fix that. But besides that, she runs perfectly fine. So it's not a train problem, it's a track problem. So we will get that figured out. But I'd probably give this, I would have to say the passenger cars, which look really nice. The engine looks really nice. It runs really nice. It runs beautifully. I know they sell lighting kits for the passenger cars if you want to have it lighted. So I would give this probably a 9.5, maybe closer to a 9.7 out of 10. So enjoy some of the B-roll clips that I'm going to get right now. Like, comment, subscribe. My goal is to get to 500 subscribers before the end of the year. So please help me out with that, guys. And again, hope you guys enjoy. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next train home.